So today I have made this Bluetooth object transporting card. So what is a Bluetooth object transporting card? So in the previous videos I have made object transporting card, but today I have made Bluetooth object transporting card. So it will be easy to us to control the car, and the car can also lift the object when the object is down. So this car will work where humans cannot go, means to carry the hazardous waste or hazardous chemicals. So the codes for this are iron 1 gripper is equal to 12, iron 2 gripper is equal to iron 1 gripper is equal to 13, iron 2 gripper is equal to 12, iron 3 is equal to 11, iron 4 is equal to 10, character data is equal to 0. Word setup: pin mode iron 1 gripper comma output, pin mode iron 2 gripper comma output, iron 3 comma output, iron 4 comma output, serial dot begin 9600. Then the word loop: if serial dot available, then if data is equal to serial dot read, then serial dot println data. So these were the codes to activate our Bluetooth. Then if data is equal to 1, then the car will go forward. I have controlled the speed of the motor because I have connected it with the with our adapter. So due to adapter, it gets more voltage and the car runs very much fast. So I have controlled the speed of the motor, that is analog right and 3,0, analog right and 4,175. Then if data is equal to 2, then the car will go in reverse direction, then analog right and 3,175, then analog right and 4,0. Then if data is equal to 0, then the gripper module, means which is our hand of the car, will close. Digital right and 1 gripper comma low, digital right and 2 gripper comma high till 3000. So the hands of the car will close for 3 seconds. After that, if data is equal to 6, then open. Iron 1 gripper comma high, iron 2 gripper comma low. After that, if data is equal to if data is equal to 9, at that time the car will stop. Means digital right gripper comma low, iron 2 gripper comma low, then analog right and 3 and iron 4 will be low. So the car will stop if I press 9. So in the Bluetooth in the phone, I will explain you that what is number 9, which key I have configured as 1, 2 and 5, 6 and 9. So let's see how it's working. My car, and this is the app. So as written in the code, 1 is equal to forward and 2 is equal to backward. Then 5 is select and 6 is start and 9 is the X. So as I will click on forward, the car will go in forward direction. Then reverse, it will go in reverse direction. If I click on select, then it will go and select the object, and then if I click on start, then it will leave that object. So let's see how it's working. So it's going in forward, reverse, forward, reverse. Now X, so it's stop. Now if I press on select, then if I press on X, then it will stop and then start. See, it's open. So let's see how it holds the object. Now, so here, this is our bottle. So as I press on forward, it's going in forward. Now as I clicked on X, it stopped. Now I will click on select, so it will just hold the object. So as you can see, it has holded the object. Now it will go in reverse, then forward, reverse, forward, then X, it will stop, and as I click on start, this hands will open and it will leave that object, and again it will go to its work. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please DM me on my Instagram handle. Link is given in the description box. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.